right, so I'm gonna, ow. Maxers, welcome back to Patmax Adventures. I am Patrick and I am here in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and I wanted to share with you guys the current regulations going on here in Puerto Vallarta and the whole state of Jalisco. The state regulations in Puerto Vallarta seem to be about the same. So if you're planning to come to Puerto Vallarta this month or in the future, or you're currently here, you can get a on-the-ground view of what it looks like, and I'll share with you guys the current regulations here. Let's be honest, guys, it does not look too beautiful today. You can see that the water is not blue. I believe that this may be due to a storm that we just had. As you can see, the waves are huge today, so I am attributing this color to the storm. Usually the waves are not this big, and it's usually a turquoise blue, but the waves are huge and we just had a big storm, so I'm guessing that is why we have this color today. Another thing that you'll notice is that there's a lot of brush and some trash that is washed up on the beach. Again, this could be due to the storm that we just had, and that's why the color again is this color. Everything's all kind of worked up, but it's usually a beautiful turquoise blue. One of the current regulations here in Puerto Vallarta is that you should be wearing a mask in all public areas. So throughout this video, I will be wearing my mask on the street. I know I don't like wearing my mask when I make a video, but I am gonna abide to the regulations right now. So just don't mind the mask. Jolene! Oh my god!
I randomly ran into you.
Oh my god, I'm in the middle of vlogging. This is my new friend, Jolene.
Hi.
She's also from San Diego. So today, yeah, let's not get hit. So today I'm walking around and I'm just sharing about the current regulations here in Puerto Vallarta. How has it been so far with the new regulations this month in August?
I'm seeing a lot more people wearing masks outside, which is good. Restaurants have roped off certain areas, so there's less capacity in each place. But other than that, I haven't noticed a lot more. So we'll see how it goes as I go out more.
So it's still fun, yeah? Everything is still kind of the normal way it is?
Yeah, I feel like people are wearing masks, and that's kind of the only biggest difference I've seen.
Yeah. All right. Bye, Jolene. So that is one of my new digital nomad friends here in Puerto Vallarta, Jolene. So as she said, one of the requirements right now is that everyone should be wearing a mask on the street. Restaurants are at 50%. I believe that they also need to be closed by 12 o'clock at night. Some other regulations are that bars and clubs are closed for the month of August 2021. This will go all the way until September 1st. This is a cute little park. Well, not so little. No, it is pretty little. In the middle of Puerto Vallarta here. I had just come from Cinco de Diciembre. I'm going to walk down all the way down to Romantica Zona. Pretty much give you guys a whole length view of how things look right now. There's a few really beautiful churches, like the one right ahead. Here is one of the beautiful churches that you'll see throughout Puerto Vallarta. Again, it is completely open at the moment, and I believe this one is called Senora del, I can't remember, but I'll leave the description of the name of the church down below. Here's one of the local buses. You'll see these all over. Transportation here in Puerto Vallarta is super easy. Beautiful day here in Puerto Vallarta. That's part of the reason why I moved here, and I will share with you guys in a later video of all the reasons why I moved here, and one of them being the weather. It is currently summer, so it's very very hot. It's been in the high 80s, low 90s, with very, very high, if not 100% humidity. One other great thing I love is that there are trash cans all around Puerto Vallarta. That's so great to see. All right, so I'm gonna, oh shoot. I sat down right there and I've got little shorts on. I want to keep up my tan and I just burned my legs. Holy crap, it is hot today. You'll see signs throughout, guys, just reminding you to wear a mask, wash your hands. I would say this is the main touristy beachfront walkway down here in Puerto Vallarta. You're gonna see many restaurants, shops on this side. We've got the beach over here. Ooh, the color is looking better. Let's go check it out. Because the water was really brown up there. Ooh, some nice artwork here too. All right, yes, the color is looking much better here. Big wave too. So here's another view, guys. You can see a tattoo shop over there, bar and restaurant here. Again, pretty busy. Everything's open. Let's check out this tourist shop right over here. Again, another sign reminding to practice social distance. No gracias. So you can see the shop is open. Everything pretty much seems pretty normal and relaxed, other than just wearing the mask and knowing that restaurants are 50%, but really doesn't change anything at the moment, for me anyway, personally. Now we're down at the main walkway area, the Malecón. So this is where you'll see the Puerto Vallarta sign. Most of the tourists are going to be down here. This sand sculpture is always here. There are usually rocks here that look like they are no more due to the storm that we just had. One thing you'll also notice this time of year are the baby turtles. A lot of sea turtles come up on the beaches right now to lay their eggs. So this is just a warning, just to be aware of them and not to touch them. Usually this is full of umbrellas and beach chairs, but the tide is really high today. The waves are really big. You can see there are still some stormy clouds. There's some people in the beach chairs here, but again, usually it extends further. If you ever need a sombrero, you'll be able to find it anywhere down here. They're selling them everywhere all the time. I should get one, right? One thing that Puerto Vallarta is known for and that you'll notice is it's very gay friendly. There's a large gay community here. A lot of gay foreigners come here for travel. So you'll find a lot of gay restaurants or gay owned, a lot of gay bars. Romantica Zona, or Zona Romantica, is where you will find all these places. Usually there is a taco shop, a restaurant right here. They have great tacos, but they're currently closed right now. Maybe they're gonna open later tonight. But this is a really great place. They have really good food. This corner here is very popular. There are a few bars and clubs. These are usually closed during the day, but now, due to the regulations, they're gonna be closed at night as well. Tacos Ranch, I think this is right over here. So Tacos Ranch is a popular club down here. Great drag shows. Unfortunately, it's gonna be closed during this month of August. But if you're down here and you're into drag shows, definitely check out Tacos Ranch. It's really fun. I swear, is this Freddie Mercury? Looks just like Freddie Mercury. Pride stripe. I'm strong enough. First bar I've seen today open so far. Nightclub Lounge seems to be the only club bar that I have seen open all day here, so I'm a little surprised to see it open. Not surprised either because the regulations here can be a little relaxed, I've noticed. But yeah, it's open if you want to go there, I guess. And I'm back in my neighborhood. I hope this video was interesting and helpful to you guys, and you got a good idea of how Puerto Vallarta looks right now during these regulations in August 2021. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave your comments down below, and I'll do my best to get back to them. Thanks again for watching, guys. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more of my adventures here in Puerto Vallarta and Mexico in general. Remember to live every moment to the max. I'll see you guys next time.